Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how you can create an online banking account on Comerica Bank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and searching for a www.comerica.com and press enter. At the official web page of Comerica Bank, you can see the option of login on top right corner. You click on it. Comerica Web Banking. Here you will be redirected to the login form page where you need to provide your user ID and password. Then click on login where you will get directly logged in into the online banking account of Comerica Bank. As we are going to get a new register or as we are going to setting up for a new profile, we need to click on setup. For the enrollment in online banking account of Comerica Bank, we will need to go through the 4 steps. That is account information, authentication, terms and conditions, and lastly create web banking profile. We will start from the very first step, that is account information. Here you need to provide all the details. At first you need to provide your date of birth. At the second step, you need to go for your account number. Then at third step, you need to select your account type by clicking on the drop-down menu. You can go with any of this as I am going with a checking, savings, money market. Then at the very last step, that is step 4, you need to choose customer type by clicking on the drop-down menu. After you provide all the details, you need to click on continue setup where you will be moved forward to another process, that is authentication. For the authentication, you will need to verify of the identity of yourself. Once you provided all the details, you will be moved to another step, that is terms and conditions. You will be shown few terms and conditions. You just have to click on agree. And lastly, you will be moved towards the create web banking profile where you will have your banking profile creation. There you need to create your online banking profile for the Comerica Bank. After you go with all these 4 steps, you will be able to register yourself for the online banking account on Comerica Bank. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can sign up for an online banking account on Comerica Bank. Thank you.